This is the dashboard of my first YouTube channel that report news about the British royal family, and I began posting this particular channel on the 23rd of August of last year, that's 2022, and I took just 1 week to get this particular channel monetized. So when I get ended on September, as you can see, I was able to generate up $2,000 in a single day, and some days I was generating $1,400, so averagely I was generating above $1,000 in a day. Then looking at my estimated revenue, at the end of the month I was able to generate more than $14,000, and I kept this consistently. In today's video, I'm going to show you the full process on how to create this same channel from start to finish and get monetized in just 1 week using only free AI. That means we are going to generate the unique article using AI, the voiceover using AI, and even the visuals are going to be done using AI. So our first step is to generate a unique news article. I'm going to recommend to you 5 websites that always report news about the British royal family. So all you need to do is just subscribe onto them and turn on the notification bell so that whenever there's news about the British royal family, you'll be the first to get notified. So the first website is Rare Express, Second Daily Mail, Daily Hello Magazine, Fourthly Telegram, and the last but not the least is Mirror. Now on the website express.co.uk, so we're on this website. First of all, you need to make sure under the tab Royal. Then just scrolling down, you can see there are several news articles about the British royal family. So I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars online just by using these articles. So first of all, let's choose an article. So I'm going to go for this. Meghan Markle will return to UK with Prince Harry because she won't come to UK. So you click on this. Now what we need to do is just go ahead and quickly copy the article. So this is the whole article which I'll quickly copy. But we can't just move on to the next step, which is conversion of this article to audio, because YouTube is going to penalize us for repetitive or reuse content. So what do we do? So to solve that problem, we're going to use the AI called Clipboard.com. So you search on Clipboard.com, then you go on to paraphraser. You're going to see this section where you can paste your text. Then scrolling down, you can see paraphrase. So click on paraphrase. As you can see, it's generating us a unique article which is free of repetitive or reuse content, and it's fully monetizable on YouTube. So checking at the bottom right hand corner, you can click here to copy the full article. Next is generate our voiceover and create a visual. Or between those two simple steps, just one AI called InVideo. So this is InVideo where you search in and create an account. This is how the dashboard is going to look like. Let's click on AI text to video. Then looking at the left hand side of the bottom, you can see aspect ratio. So make sure you're on landscape because this is the ratio for a YouTube video. These are the various suggested templates that we provided onto you, so you can just make your choice based on the animations or the text. But I'm going to go for this. So we click on this. Then next we click on use template. Now looking at this, at the right hand side the section for scenes, while the left hand side the section for script. Now going on to the left hand side, let's paste our unique script. Then just going down, you can see auto suggest images and videos. Make sure that box is ticked, as well as for iStock and Premium. This simply means that when our video is being generated, it can automatically suggest images and videos that relate to our content. So next we click on create scenes. Wow, this looks amazing. Looking at the left hand side the section for script, as you can see, it has been divided into several sections. Looking at the number 1 section, just clicking on it, you can see this is a video footage that has been chosen with respect to that. And going on to the second section, which I believe starts from the body, you can see a video footage has also been chosen, and video footage are chosen from sites like iStock sites and Shutterstock sites. Then going on to the third one, clicking on the third one, as you can see, another video footage has been chosen. But the issue is that at times a video footage might be chosen which might not actually relate to what our content is talking about. For example, in number 1 section, this video footage does not relate to what our content is talking about, since our content is about the British royal family, but we can easily change it, so there's no problem with this. Now let me show you how to change it. So first you copy the title of our article, then you go onto a new browser, you paste, then you search it, then you go onto images. So these are images that relate to our content, so let's click on the first one, then we can download this image to our device. Now back on InVideo, looking at the icon on the left hand side, click on uploads, then click on upload media, then you click at the center, then when you choose the image you can click on upload. Now you drag and drop the image. Now let's preview it. So as you can see, it really looks beautiful. So you just need to do this for all of the video footages. It does not actually relate to what our content is talking about. Now the next thing we want to do is to put our voice over. So just go on to editor, you click on it, then go on to voice over, then you click on automated text to speech. Then looking at the left hand side, you can see type. So InVideo has realistic voices, and of course the language, can always change the language, put it to what you want. And of course the voice, there are several voices there, but I'm going to go for John. Now let's click on generate voiceover, then you click on add automated voiceover for all scenes, so you click on add. So looking at the third layer, that's the voiceover that has been added for all the scenes, and looking at the second layer, that's the background audio. If you don't want it, you could just go ahead and delete it. But if you like the audio that is there, then that's fine. But if you want to replace the audio that is here, then what you need to do is to come on to music. Then you just need to choose any mode which you want. Personally, I love January, so I go on to January, then I click on pop. So if you want to choose any of them among these, then I just need to click on the plus sign, and it's going to replace the audio which is here. But I just love the background audio which is here, so I'll just stay with this. Then before I preview the video, I want to use the background audio, so just click on the background audio, then you click on volume and fade. I will want us to reduce the volume up to, let's say, -25 dB. Yeah, that's okay. Now let's preview our video.
Because she won't curtsy to Kate Middleton, Meghan Markle won't travel back to the UK with Prince Harry. When Prince William succeeds his father as king, Meghan Markle won't want to bow to Kate.
So next, we export a video of Rio onto YouTube. I'm done uploading a video, so next we need to write the title, description, and upload the thumbnail of the video. So first, let's start with the title. Now, way back to Royal Express, I've copied the title of our article. Then let's paste it here. Now, looking at the title, this title already is already very captivating because just going back onto the website, you can see it was posted just a few hours ago and it has gotten 357 comments. That tells you that the title itself is very captivating. Or you could just try to change the title a little bit, but let's just resonate around the same topic and let it be captivating. But I quite love the way the title is, so I'm just going to leave it like this. Next, let's go on to the description. We will be making use of our unique article. Make sure that the original article is copied from the website because they're going to penalize you for that. So you just copy a portion of it, then we paste in the description box. Then lastly, for the description, just scroll down and you write the hashtag for the video. So firstly, we'll write hashtag Prince Harry because in this video we're talking about Prince Harry. Secondly, Meghan Markle, Prince William, and Kate Middleton. And just make sure, as we got, for example, we got Meghan Markle, we are not separating the words, we keep them together. For Prince William, same thing, we keep them together, but we make sure we give a gap as we write the hashtag, okay? So when you are done with this, our description is good to go. Now, I designed my thumbnail using Pixel and it's very basic and easy to design these thumbnails, and I believe you can do that. But if you have any issue in designing of these thumbnails, then just report to me in the comment section and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible.